Drone though, because that's not such a good idea, is it? Because then you might confuse the next lot of people who come over.
True. Right, I think put that back. I don't think we're going to see it on there.
I think she
We may have moved on to this one here. We may have moved the other one.
It's warming up nicely. I'm feeling
Well, we can always get the others to have a look in a minute. We can always go back again and have another look. Remember that, it's mine, isn't it?
Get out from under there.
I've never used that, and that's new for this year. I don't see my queens, I'm just looking for eggs. So, who's next? Are we moving on to...
No, you please. I'm happy with the coat.
No, come on.
Oh,
Let's have you.
right.
No, what's going on here? This is being pulled out.
Oh.
It's a drone.
Oh.
It's a drone. We've pulled it partly out with the... Can we take it out? It's a drone.
Oh. It looks like it's being pulled out by the workers. Or,
It does.
Are the workers nursery bees when they're doing something like that?
Yes.
Is that the one that's been rescued?
There are nursing bees and there are the flying bees.
Ah,
and
yes,
the same bees,
that's
but
the
just doing
difference.
different
Right.
Oh no, they're the young
right.
Different
Flying
bees
bees,
doing
nursing
different
bees.
jobs. Because the younger ones are the nurse bees and the older ones in the second half of their life will be doing all that. Yeah, they'll be doing the foraging, flying. Yes.
Oh, I'm in the front again.
If we do see that queen, let's keep looking for her. Let's keep looking for her. And hence the ready.
is definitely changed. Shall we give them a bit more of a...
I don't think these are too bad at all, to be honest.
No, they're pretty. I mean, it's just
What you doing with that green thing?
That's a queen marker cage.
Oh,
So we'll put it down. I've forgotten I
To
brought it with
her.
me.
That's you catch the queen in that.
Yeah, press the queen down like that, and then press it down so you've got her held so you can mark her.
Oh, I see. Oh, I've not seen one of those.
Yeah, is that her there? There, where my thumb is?
Yes! No,
it?
no,
Does
No.
it look like her?
no. Just go ready with it. Yes, I'm ready to...
It's big like her.
No, it's not. She's got yellow on her, remember. Only a little bit, but she'll be a little bit smited by my yellow pen. I didn't want to put lots on because yellow isn't the year, blue's the year.
Oh. Blue is the colour.
It gives you an impression you've got... Now this one's coming in here loaded with pollen, look.
Can't see any eggs, can you?
But that's capped brood, isn't it? I've got the wrong thing in my hand. That's capped brood there, and there's very, very young brood in there. But I wouldn't worry, you've seen the queen. So if the worst comes to the worst, first off then, I can write on there when we finished, Queen
Queen C.
Queen C, yes.
In the blue.
Aye, aye.
In the blue. Oh, oh.
In the Queen C.
Right.
Wrong pen. It did give me a pen, there it is. What's today's date? 25th.
25, yeah.
Queen, yes. Queen cells, no. Frames used.
Well, we keep it. We make
1,
them.
2, 3, 4, 5. Well, wait till we get to there.
Are we
5.
pushing these close together yet, or keeping?
New frames. 5. House.
They had deformed wing on another hive in the middle there.
Well, I don't think I think health are going to tick it. Grower. 1.
Yes.
Feed. Plenty of stores, isn't there? Supers. 1, and it was almost full.
Chocker.
So I put F.
Yes. Chock-a-block.
Weather. Now what we can do is if we've got a queen excluder, put it on there because we know the queen's there,
down there.
and she is not in here.
Yeah.
Is she clipped?
No.
No. Right.
No, I don't clip. I wouldn't clip.
Right. You're not a clipper.
No.
So she can't fly away.
Yeah, they do that, some people.
Ah.
But you see, when they swarm, that means they drop local. That's one.
They'll still create. There is an article in this month's Welsh Beekeeping magazine on the pros and cons. So it's worth reading it for your own views and
Yeah.
then go from there.
That one's empty, almost.
This one's empty.
Almost.
Yeah, so we've only really got 4,
This is the back end.
5 I've used, yes.
Why don't you clip yours then?
Because I don't believe in it.
Right, I'm with you.
And a lot of beekeepers don't believe in it.
Right,
If they want to swarm,
they swarm, okay.
let her go.
Oh, I see.
There might be something wrong with her.
I'm with you.
I've got a new virgin queen.
Yeah, it just
Mated.
refreshes it all, doesn't